Welcome to our educational channel. From class ninth, the chapter 1 is real numbers. So around we have 10 to 15 basic skills. So total around 22 skills are there. Altogether I made into 7 or 8 the important basics in this real numbers I'll explain in this video. So this PDF or document which you are seeing now, I am providing the link in description below. You can first get the PDF file, and by listening this video you can solve the problems from that. So every skill 3 to 4 problems I'll explain. Then around 10 to 15 sums are there in that pages you have to practice. So then you'll be perfect in this. So to do perfectly practice in this real numbers, what are the basic skills we required in maths? Especially in this chapter, in this class, let us see one by one. First of all, add and subtract of integers. So this concept you are learning even from class 6th onwards. So if you know, just skip for 5 minutes the video or else you can listen once again. Because those are making mistake even in class 9th also. So adding and subtraction of the integers. That's why I am stressing once again this basic concept here. If you want to add the numbers like integers, we have the 4 categories. For example, 6, 4, 6 plus 4, 6 minus 4, minus 6 plus 4, minus 6 minus 4. You can notice only these 4 cases only, any number. Just numbers can change, but the pattern is same. So when you want to add this, generally 6 plus 4 is 10. Okay, direct addition. When both are positive, we need to add it. So 6 is nothing but plus 6. Okay, we will not keep the plus symbol before 6, but keep in mind that is a positive 6. So plus 6 adding with again plus 4. So that is a plus 10. So we will not keep all the signs. Now 6 minus 4. From 6, 4 is subtract 2. But minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2. There's a difference. Because 6 minus 4 is plus 2. But minus 6 plus 4. One is negative, one is positive. We should do subtraction. Numerically, which is a bigger number, that sign should keep. 6 and 4, no, 6 is a greater. So plus 2 it is. 6 and 4, 6 is a greater no than 4. So minus. Before 6, what is minus symbol? So a negative number is a bigger than positive number. So negative answer will come. Next, when both are negatives, minus 6 minus 4 is minus 10. So there is a difference here, positive 10 and negative 10. Both are positive, positive answer. Both are negative, answer come negative. But addition only we should do it. Okay. Now come to these problems. Here we have multiplications, additions together also is mixed up in this. So in this question, okay, according to our property, second, third problem is given. 11 plus minus 13. So 11 is the positive, 13 is negative. I am adding. One negative, one positive. When you are doing addition, we should do subtraction. So 13 is the bigger number, small number is 11. Just to subtract, that is 2. So first to keep the 2. Then which is the greater numerically, 11 or 13? 13, right? So 13 is the negative number. So minus 2 is answer. 11 plus minus 13. That means plus into minus is minus. So this is 11 minus 13 is minus 2. Next to plus 9. So negative number, positive number you are adding. Minus 2 plus 9. One is negative, one is positive. So we should go for subtraction. Subtraction is 7. Now 9 is the greater than 2 numerically. So 9 is the positive. So plus 7 is answer. Overall 7 is answer for this. Right? Same way. Here is 4 plus 4. Up to this is both are positive. Answer is 8. Then minus 9. 8 minus 9. 9 is a greater number. Negative number it is. So answer also come 9. Minus answer is 1. 9 and 8, if you difference between 9 and 8 is 1. But 9 before negative sign, no, minus 1. So minus 1 is answer. Do the same process. By observing you can say now 4 plus minus 12. So minus 8 it is. 12 4 difference. One is negative, one is positive. Difference is 8. 12 before. 12 is a bigger number numerically. So minus sign you keep. Then minus 16. Both are negatives. What I said, keep negative sign and add it. Okay. Both are negatives now. Keep negative symbol and add. Minus 8 minus 16. Keep minus symbol and add it. That is 24. Okay. That's the way you should do it. And in this combination, if it is asking, we should do multiplication first as per the rule. That will come, I'll show the next pages. Minus 18 to 11 is minus 88. Now minus into minus is plus here. You studied in previous classes. Now minus 88 plus 7. So minus 81 it is. Okay, that is the difference. So once you perfect that page, second page also practice from the PDF. That I am showing the third page problems. Last few questions. Remaining you need to practice from that. Okay. First we should solve the calculations in the bracket. Minus 5, minus 5, minus 3. So all are minus negative, no? Keep minus and add it. 5, 5, 3. So 13 it is. Into minus 6. Now minus into minus. First you have to multiply the sign. That is plus. 13 into 6 you need to multiply. 3, 6, 18, 1 carry over, no? 3, 6, 1 times 6 and 1, 78. Okay, plus 78 is answer. So using the rule of the BODMAS, first what we supposed to do, brackets of division, multiplication, addition, subtractions. This rule we follow. First you should solve the calculation in the bracket. Within the bracket also again division, multiplication, addition, subtractions. So first we supposed to calculate within the bracket. So this is 1 plus 4 is 5. Next write the question 6 into 10 divided by 5. Until you perfect, do step by step like this. So bracket is over. Next followed by division. O this off. If any symbol is 2 of 3, 3 of 6 means that we should do it. Off is nothing but multiplication again in this case. When you come to the division, because O off is not there in the question. So division. Division is in between, division symbol between 10 and 5, right? So this calculation. 10 divided by 5 is 2. Next. 6 into this value is 2. Next multiplication. Minus into plus, there is no sign, no plus. Minus into plus is minus, 6 2 is a 12. Finally negative 12 is answer. Again next one problem is here. Minus 6 minus 1. Negative two numbers I am adding. So keep negative symbol and add it. Minus 7 and plus 4. So minus 7 plus 4 is finally, that is minus 3. So this value is the minus 3 now. Now minus 6 divided by minus 3. Minus divided by minus is plus. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So plus 2 is answer. Okay, can do the same way remaining all problem. Here minus 1, minus 6, minus 7. Plus 2 no. Minus 5. Minus 15 divided by minus 5. Minus divided by minus is plus. 15 divided by 5 is 3. Okay. You're supposed to practice the page number 2 and 3 all the problems till 8. Then you can, by listening you listen. So based on same concept you first practice, then only come to the next topic, next skill. Okay, fourth page also similar problems I'm giving in the PDF, you practice. Next we have addition subtraction of the fractions. Even this also you're learning from class 6th onwards. Need to perfect these topics to improve the basic skills thoroughly in these sessions. There is no denominator, you can keep 1 for the fraction. As per the method is, if you know, just come to the next page and solve it. Or else listen, 1, 3, 2 LCM. First you have to find out the LCM. 1, comma 3, comma 2. LCM is 6. LCM is equal to 6 for 1, 3, 2. Then we should make the same denominator. 3 divided by 1 plus 2 divided by 3 plus 1 divided by 2. So to make the same denominator, into 6, same 6 we multiply here. So into 2, same 2 should multiply. This is 2 now. So into 3 and same 3. Finally this is 3 by 1 is 18 divided by 6 plus 2 by 3 become 4 by 6. 1 by 2 is 3 by 6. Now in the same denominator, you can keep the denominator and add the numerators. 18 plus 4 plus 3. 18 plus 4 plus 3. Just only have to add the numerators. That is 18 plus 4, 22 plus 3. So 25 divided by 6 is answer. Okay, this is the problem. After finding the LCM, then you should make the same denominator of the LCM of that. Okay. Not telling each and everything, just need to practice that page number 5, 6 of those all addition, subtraction of the fractions. Right? Still if you are unable to getting, just you can go through even class 8th basics also showing on the same channel, then you can come to here. Right? Next we have the order of the operations one by one. Same how we did in the integers, no, same pattern, same rule you apply for the fractions. BODMAS rule. First we should do calculation in the bracket, next followed by division, multiplication, addition, subtractions. Okay, for example, one sum we can see 2 1 by 2 plus 3 1 by 2 divided by 2 1 by 4. First we need to simplify this value. So I'm doing right side 2 1 by 2. 2 2 is a 4 plus 1. Okay, 5 by 2 plus 3 1 by 2. 2 3 is a 6 plus 1. 7 divided by 2. Already we have the same denominator 5 plus 7, that is 12 divided by 2. Finally we got 6. Okay, this answer is 6 now. Next to divide by symbol 2 1 by 4. 4 to the 8 plus 1 9. So 9 by 4. 6 we can write as 6 by 1 divided by 9 by 4. As the division rule, when we have the fractions to division, first fraction as it is you should write. Then the division symbol when you keep into, division should keep it as into symbol, and next fraction should be reciprocal. 9 by 4 is 4 by 9. This is a method for division of the fractions. First fraction don't change. 6 by 1 as it is. Then only the second fraction you do reciprocal by keeping multiplication sign instead of division symbol. Now 6 4s are by 1 9s are 24 divided by 9. We can simplify the common table. 3 table 3 3s are 3 8, right? So 8 by 3 is answer. We can write in mixed fraction again this answer. Okay. Same logic or same pattern you can apply to solve this. Okay, one more problem. Second also listen, then remaining you can practice from the page. As per the rule, first multiplication right here. 3 times, okay, 5 times 3, 15 plus 4. So 19 divided by 5 into 6 2s are 12 plus 1, 13 divided by 6. First is supposed to multiply this, then only minus 3 1s are 3 plus. So 5 divided by 3. First you have to simplify also if it is possible, or else same. First you can calculate this multiplication, then minus. So there is a rule you can apply for this. Same multiplication we did know that 19 times 13 divided by 5 times 3 minus 5 by 3. 19 times 13 you multiply. 3 times 9 is 27. 5 again 19. So this is 7 4 2. So 247. 247 by 30 minus 5 by 3. Now I can say take the same denominator and calculate. 33 LCM is 30. So should multiply, this is 10 and 10. Now 247 minus 50 divided by 30. From 247, 50 you can subtract. So 190, how much you get? 7. From 247, 50 you can, normal subtraction you can do it. 7, this is 4. So 14 minus 5, 9. So 197 divided by 30. Okay, this is the calculation for this. Right, so this is the way you can proceed for all the fractions already studied in class 8th, 7th also. Now let us start the important concepts which is introducing in class 9th only, that is the rationalization. The basic knowledge about rationalization are explained here. Now listen here. So once perfect the fractions, then come to this page and start doing. Question is 4 divided by minus 3 minus root 5. For the rationalization of the denominator here, whatever denominator is there, rationalizing factor we should find out. I'll show you. If it is 3 plus root 2, rationalizing factor of this is 3 minus root 2. Rationalizing factor, because if I multiply these both, you will get rational number. This is irrational number. 3 plus root 2 is irrational. 3 minus root 2 is also irrational. By multiplying these both, you will get the rational number. A plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. 3 square minus root 2 square. 3 square is 9. Root 2 square is 2. So 7. That's why rationalizing factor is whatever the sign, with opposite sign you can keep, there is a rationalizing factor. If it is a irrational number, is denominator place. So now what we should multiply this, multiply and divide rationalizing factor. Minus 3 minus root 5, no? Minus 3 plus root 5 you can keep. Say minus 3 plus root 5 multiply for the numerator. So value does not change. Now 4 into this into this. 4 into minus 3, that is minus 12, plus 4 into root 5 is just 4 root 5. Don't multiply 4 5 is 20 because 4 is rational, root 5 is irrational. And divided by denominator, we have the a square minus b square formula. A plus b into a minus b type. Minus 3 whole square minus root 5 whole square. And finally we'll get minus 12 plus 4 root 5 divided by minus 3 whole square is 9. Root 5 square is 5. So 9 minus 5 is 4. Next up we can write minus 12 plus 4 root 5 divided by 4. Even you can take the 4 common from the numerator and also simplify. Okay, that is the rationalizing factor. So we have the same concepts. One more sum you can listen. So the denominator you observe first. Denominator is the irrational number. What we should do it? Opposite sign. 4 plus 4 root 5 no? 4 minus 4 root 5. Same 4 minus 4 root 5 multiply and divide. Now numerator minus 1 into this. So minus of 4 minus 4 root 5 is the numerator. Minus 1 into this, same thing you'll get. Now a plus b into a minus b formula. This is a plus b, a minus b. 4 square 16 minus 4 root 5 whole square. Square should apply for 4 and for root 5 also. This if we simplify minus 4 minus 2 minus plus 4 root 5 divided by 16 minus 4 root 5 whole square. 4 square is 16 into root 5 square is 5. So 16 5 is 80 next up. So minus 4 plus 4 root 5 divided by 16 minus 80. Next up we can subtract the denominator to get the answer. Only thing is we should make the rationalize the denominator. So rationalizing factor should multiply and divide numerator and denominator. Rationalizing factor find out that you can multiply and divide the given question. You'll get answer as a rational number for the denominator. Right? You just to do in the same time. Let's go for the one more. Here is a simplification of the radical expressions. That is, before solving, you just see one example. Basically listen first. Square root of a, if you multiply it square root of a, that is equals to a. Because square root of a into square root of a is square root of a whole square, right? So square and square root cancel, so a will come. Root a into root a is a. So this you remember. That means root 2 into root 2 is just 2. Square root of 3 into square root of 3 just 3. Okay. Next, square root of 3 into square root of 4 means within the square root you can multiply 3 into 4. That is square root of 12. That means square root of a times square root of b is equal to square root of a into b. Okay. These two properties you apply to solve here. Next, rational, irrational we could not multiply, only rational to rational will multiply. Now, here you can observe now. Square root of 6, you should multiply this both. Root 6 into 2 root 2. 2 is the rational number. Root 2 into root 6 into root 2 is root 12 we can write. Plus root 6 into 4 is just 4 root 6 only. Okay, this is the simplifications. Clear? And next, root 5 into root 3. What is square root of 5? 3 is 15. Plus root 5 into root 5. 5 I said no, root a into root a is a. Next, third one, root 15 into 3. So just 3 into root 15 right, just side by side. Minus root 15 into 4 root 3. Minus 4 as it is. This is the rational number. Irrational numbers you can multiply 15 into 3. So root 45. Okay, this is the way you can do it. Same way, one more. Minus root 5 into 5 root 6. 5 as it is root 30 because root 5 into root 6 is root 30. Again minus root 5 into 4 root 5. 4 as it is root 5 into root 5 is 5. So into 5. Finally minus 5 square root of 30 minus 20 will get answer. Okay. This is the simplification of the radical expressions. Again we have simplifications, two more type of questions I will show you. Next in this 18 to 20 pages I am giving the same similar problems. So you can practice the same concept as it is. Now simplification of radical expressions to solve this type of problems. we have the exponents rules, no, we studied in previous class. A to the power m into a to the power n is a to the power m plus n. Next, a to the power m divided by a to the power n is a to the power m minus n. And one more rule, a to the power m whole to the power n is equals to a to the power m into n. Okay, so these three rules you apply to solve here. 2 into 2 power 2, so that is 2 to the power 3, 2 power 1 into 2 power 2, so 2 power 1 plus 2, no, 3, whole to the power 4 is there, divided by 2 to the power minus 3. Now again third formula, 2 power 3 whole power 4 means 3 fours are 12, divided by 2 power minus 3. Again second formula, 2 to the power, numerator power is 12, denominator power is minus 3. Numerator power minus denominator power. Numerator power is 12 minus denominator power is minus 3. So minus to minus plus 3 will come. Finally 2 to the power 15 it is. Okay, simplifying that way. See one more problem then. 2 power 3 is the numerator. Denominator is 2 power 3 and 2 power 4. So 2 to the power 7 it is. Whole to the power 3. Next, 2 to the power, numerator and denominator same base, so 3 minus 7 minus 4 will come, whole to the power 3. Then 2 to the power minus 4 into 3 is minus 12. This I can write my 1 by 2 to the power 12 also, because we have the formula a to the power minus n is equals to 1 by a to the power n. Okay, you can apply this. Same way, not only numbers, even the algebraic expressions also we can use the same rule. Just only two sums I am showing, and these 2 pages remaining problems practiced from the same method. Okay, first in numbers, if you observe 2 into 2, denominator everything is multiplication. Now 1 2 we can get cancelled, only 1 2 is left in the bracket. X power minus 1, okay, x power 4, x power 4 also cancel. 2 into x to the power minus 1 whole to the power 3. This power 3 can apply for everything. 2 cube is 8, x to the power minus 3. This you can write 8 by x to the power plus 3. Okay, we can write in this way. See one more problem. Here is b power 4, b power 1 it is. So we can write this as b to the power 5 divided by b to the power minus 2 whole to the power minus 3. b power 5 by b power minus 2 is minus 2 if you take up plus 2. So you'll get b to the power 7 whole to the power minus 3. Finally b to the power minus 21. This I can write 1 by b to the power plus 27. Okay, first step, second step, third step. Right, so just only few sums I am showing because it's coming lengthy. So then same pattern you follow for the remaining all the problems. So these are the main basics are required for the real numbers from the class 9th as chapter 1.